Hey folks, welcome back. In this video, I'll review the JC Kevin Sathorn, which is a sleek city hotel tucked just off Sathorn Road on the edge of Bangkok's central business district. From its arrival experience to its neatly adorned lobby and front desk, this is a business and leisure-friendly hotel with a contemporary style. Completed in 2008 in a high-rise tower of roughly 40 floors, this is part of a twin tower development which also includes an identical sister tower which houses the private condominium residences known as the Sathorn Prime Residences. Inside the hotel, you'll find around 310 rooms and suites. Amenities include a saltwater infinity edge swimming pool, a full fitness center, spa treatments, rooftop bar, which is actually currently under renovation, and more. So room rates vary by season. Low season deals can be as low as under $50 US, while high season or premium rooms can run in the $200+ US range. This hotel is aimed at travelers who want spacious accommodations in Bangkok and good value. Also business professionals, couples on city breaks, or families who appreciate suite style room options. So now that you've seen the entrance, lobby, and front desk, next we'll take you to one of the room styles called a premier room featured in this video. Now we enter the room tour. The hotel offers three main room types: the premier room, which is approximately 39 square meters, the one bedroom suite, which is around 64 square meters, and then the two bedroom suite, which is a whopping 121 square meters. Here we feature the 39 square room type, the premier room. As you walk in, you'll immediately notice two single beds, or you have an option for a king bed type. Opposite the beds, you'll see a LCD television. A small workspace with power sockets sits beside the windows, with floor-to-ceiling windows and with a private balcony. And in the corner is ample space for your luggage, is what's featured here. Moving on, the large wardrobe opens to reveal ironing board and iron, and inside a wardrobe is a digital security safe large enough to accommodate a standard laptop. So there's just plenty of wardrobe and drawer space for a room this size. Look at this, just filled with extra nooks of space. Adjacent to the wardrobe, you have a coffee station, a water and coffee station that also features tea, a small refrigerator, mini fridge, and additional drawer space. The bathroom is just as generous, even though it's part of the standard room category. The layout includes a large walk-in shower that easily fits two people side by side, which is a rare feature in this class of hotel here in Bangkok. This guest room is a little dark from what I would normally expect in a guest room. Not terribly dark, but just a little darker than I'd like. Just an observation and a preference, really. Step out through the sliding balcony door and you're treated with a southern-facing city view, which you can see across towards the Chao Phraya River and the Ramanine Bridge in the distance. The balcony adds real value to this room type. That completes the room tour and the entry-level room. You've got comfortable, well-equipped bedding, a full set of amenities, plus a balcony with a view. Up next, we'll head to the pool, gym, and spa. In this section, we'll explore the hotel's communal wellness and fitness amenities. First up, the outdoor pool. The pool is located on the second floor, positioned between both towers of the complex and shared with the residential building, but large enough to comfortably accommodate hotel guests and residents alike. The pool is a 32-meter saltwater infinity edge design, ideal for lap swimming or relaxing under the sky. Surrounding the pool are plenty of lounge chairs and a poolside bar for cooling off after a few lengths. Next, we'll walk into the fitness center, which is housed on the second floor of the residence building adjacent to the hotel. The gym features a solid mix of machines and free weights that cover every major muscle group. While the equipment may appear a little dated, it remains fully functional and meets the needs of most guests who like to keep their workout on a holiday. So even though this gym is open up to the public, it is separated from the residential building. So in essence, it's exclusively for hotel guests and those who have special membership. Inside the fitness complex, you also find a dry sauna and wet steam room for post-exercise recovery, plus a table tennis and a Muay Thai heavy bag for guests interested in a bit more boxing-style training. Just nearby is the AKEE Spa, where we noticed a promotion offer, a 90-minute massage for couples at 2,700 baht, which is roughly $84 US. That kind of spa access rounds out the wellness suite nicely, making this hotel suitable for guests who want to keep active, relax, and enjoy the complement of amenities in one place. Up next are the dining and restaurants. Moving on to dining at the hotel, the JC Kevin Sathorn offers multiple restaurant and bar venues. Currently, the rooftop bar is under renovation, so our footage focuses on the second floor restaurant where the hotel's breakfast buffet is held, and the Blue District restaurant on the 38th floor, which opens for dinner and offers full food and drink menus, plus a 360-degree city skyline view. Let's start with the second floor all-day dining restaurant. At breakfast, the hotel places out a hearty buffet, fresh tropical fruit, baked goods, live cooking stations for eggs to order, hot Asian and Western dishes, a good selection of vegetarian options, breads, juices, and more. It's spacious, bright, and great for starting your day. The buffet has many meat options if that's what you're into. Then it has a lot of vegetarian options as well. I just found that this had a great variety of fruits, vegetables, meats, Asian and also Western type meals. Then we move up to the 38th floor, the Blue District Restaurant. From here you get sweeping views of Bangkok's Skyline, perfect for dinner or drinks. The full menu and bar service make this a very appealing spot for an evening out without leaving your hotel. With 2 strong food and beverage venues and the rooftop bar still in progress, the hotel covers both all-day dining and elevated sky view experiences. So this wraps up the restaurant section. Finally, it's time for my final thoughts where I'll give my personal rating of the... I classify the JC Kevin Sathorn Hotel as a solid 4-star property in terms of category. Yet, in my view, it deserves a 4.5 personal rating because of 4 key strengths. 1. The rooms are well designed and well equipped for the price. 2. The full suite of amenities, to include the pool, the gym, the spa, covers more than you'd often find at this price point in Bangkok. 3. Pricing is lower than many of the comparable hotels in Sathorn while delivering strong value. For example, you can regularly find rooms under $50 US in low season, yet you still get to enjoy high floor city views, balcony, and full facility. And 4. The location is highly convenient. a comfortable walk to the BTS SkyTrain at Chong Nonsi, close to Sathorn restaurants, bars, and business district, yet it's tucked away back enough for a quieter experience. So for city travelers who want a mix of accommodation, amenities, and value, I highly recommend this hotel. Thank you for joining this review of JC Kevin Sathorn. Please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next vlog segment.